Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're exploring an abandoned leather factory. I'm not too sure when it was abandoned, but it looks like it's been abandoned for about 10 years and its Street View archive suggests it was operational until at least 2009. If you end up enjoying the video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Yeah. Whoa, wow. I need to put this mask on. Oh, wow. So it looks like there's office stuff over there. It's actually bigger than I thought this place was, to be honest. Alright, if there's gonna be people, it'll be in. It's actually just so many little sign remnants. That's awesome. Some steps to nowhere. What? Is this just the toilets? More toilets. You can still smell it. So I didn't catch it on camera, but we walked to the upstairs part of the offices and it just seemed really eerie. And in the room in front of us, we heard what sounded like jingling of keys, and we just left in case there was a homeless person or someone else more sinister in there. What was that? Is there anybody in here? You heard that, didn't you? I want to go down. Oh my god. There. Just some blinds. So what did we hear? It was sort of like jingling, like keys, you reckon? Just past that door. That was really sketchy. You better be careful because there is actually an active sort of business thing. She's there. Oh my god, it's terrible there. It's just piles of what are they? Pallets of timber, I guess. And whatever this is. What is this? It's really gross. I think that's what it smells. It's like some sort of animal skin. Oh, it's like chicken or something? Or is it wigs? What even is this? It's disgusting either way. Just some remnants. Is that? I think that's what stinks, right? So just a quick overview of this room. Like I said before, there's a fecal sign. It just smells so bad, like unbelievably bad. Just piles and piles. What is it? This is like a leather factory, so something to do with leather. It's just disgusting. Oh my god. It's disgusting piles of leather if it's coming through on camera. I don't even know if it's leather, to be honest. If you're a leather expert, tell us what the hell this is. All the leather experts in the comments. Not many piles in this part. That smell is so overwhelming. Holy oh my god. Oh. Come on. You coming? This place is just awful. There's even just a hole. Oh, did you step in that? Oh, the white shoes. Far out. Yeah. What? What? Some sort of oil. Something there. That's pretty cool, actually. Fuck me. Really dark. Do you want to go upstairs or not? Oh, there isn't much actually. Yeah, oh, there isn't much. It's alright, but I wouldn't go up there. Please close the door. At least they asked. Oh, even more steps, great. That's pretty cool. Only way in looks like it's a window. Try that door. Oh god, we're right in the firing line. Who wants to try the door first? Be my guest. It's probably locked. Oh, I don't like that. No, it's locked. I don't really want to lift that up. That'll make way too much noise. I reckon we're nearly done here, to be honest. Oh no. It's being blocked by something. Yeah, it's being blocked by a crate. Pallet. See that? That's not a good sign. Much the same, is it? Yeah. Oh, it is just more piles of leather stuff. No. That'll be to the other place though. Just more piles of animal remains, it looks, or something. I don't even know. It doesn't look like much. There's a doorway there. Oh. There isn't much. I wouldn't go in there. There's even just like a little park bench out here. It's actually quite nice.